plug into the back of your TV, and play over 20,000. Retro game, apparently, this little game stick can plug into the back of your TV and play over 20,000 retro games. Let's see about that. First, plug it in, turn on one of two included controllers, and inside you have everything from PS, Atari GB Classic, GB Color, and GB Advance, Genesis Game Gear, and Mega Drive. And this has to be the coolest one of them all. Every game on here is free, and there's no need for Wi-Fi to play. There's way too many games to go through. So, I just favor some of my favorites. If there's a certain game you want me to look for, leave it in the comments, and I'll find it. This used to be my favorite game when I was a kid. Geez, this is so nostalgic. Just look how cool this is. And don't worry, you can save your progress. Just press these two buttons at the same time. I just had to show you all this. Cause I know how good of a Christmas gift this would be for any kid or even an adult. I mean, two controllers over 20,000 games, and no need for Wi-Fi to play. Is an absolute steal for under 30 bucks right now. They sold out last year before Black Friday even started. So if you want a chance to grab one this year, then you gotta be fast. If you see a link right here, that means it's still available, but you gotta run. And if you can't see it, go to my TikTok channel.